Like I feel like I'm dying. I was sleeping that time. I see something shaking. I heard my wife say, earthquake, earthquake.
What is your feeling right now?
Wallahi, we can't think about this minute now. Alhamdulillah, we are on the safe side. For tomorrow, we don't know what's going to happen.